Hey guys, Theo here, and I hope you're having a spicy day, and thanks for joining me in my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious raw vegan carrot cake. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, I'll show you how it's made.
Roughly pulse your walnuts. Then add your pitted dates. Then add in your shredded coconut, cinnamon, nutmeg, and pinch of salt. Lastly, add in your shredded carrots. In a parchment-lined pan, transfer your carrot cake. Using your hands, press down into a single layer. Then, refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Blend together your soaked cashews, water, maple syrup or raw agave, vanilla, lemon juice, salt, and coconut oil. Transfer your cashew frosting onto the top of your carrot cake. Spread in a thin layer and freeze for at least 2 hours.
Alright guys, after you let these harden up in the fridge, it's time to cut them into squares and let's have a taste. It has a really great carrot and cinnamon flavor. If you like this recipe, it'll be found in the blog post below, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And as always, keep it spicy!